Oh my. Hello and welcome back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, we are going to talk about the T3 single pass 1-inch flat iron because man, I was in desperate need of a new flat iron and I happened to be walking in Costco and saw this baby on sale for 50 bucks. I could not pass that up and I cannot wait to test it out with you for the first time. So T3, very good brand. All the reviews online are pretty amazing. Everyone says it works really, really well to just do one single pass on your hair and you shouldn't have to do it again. So I'm super excited about that. It's also supposed to be extra healthy for your hair as flat irons go. Like it's not supposed to be super damaging. There's all these special things that they do in building this flat iron to try to make it as healthy for your hair as possible. So I'm super excited to try this out. Let's open it up. Oh. There's a little tiny card inside. Let's see what the card says. Oh my gosh, this like card, it's almost like an index card thickness. It's like so soft. I can't even handle it. Like I just love the way it feels. When I was little, I had this James and the Giant Peach book that just the pages of it felt so soft that I just loved it. Like I didn't even want to read it necessarily. I just wanted to like turn the pages. So this card is giving me that feeling of excitement. Really weird, but you know. It's just like a thanks for your purchase. It will inspire you to be the best version of yourself. Oh, it will it? To obtain a free additional year of warranty, register your tool at blah, blah, blah. For all comments, questions, contact us here, blah, blah, blah. Beautiful outside, powerful on the inside. Healthy hair is beautiful hair. T3 designs and technology provide a superior styling experience for beautiful, long-lasting results. For the best results, begin styling at the lowest heat setting and gradually increase the temperature as needed based on your hair type and styling needs. Good to know. And I think this is just like a little instruction book maybe? Oh, yes, operating instructions. So yeah, plug it in, turn it on, put it to desired heat. I got it. All right, let's plug it in. I do like that it has a little Velcro thing right here for the cord. Super convenient for traveling or just putting away in general. I like that. Oh, it won't get lost because it's attached right there. It's about the little details, you know? Ooh, and another thing I'm noticing is it has little sparkles right here. And this being the year of glitter, I can't help but love that. And I'm wondering if they light up when I turn it on. So let's see. Okay, we are plugged in. I'm going to push the on button, which is inside. No, they don't light up, but the inside blinks. There is a little protective thing on top of the sparkles. Oh my gosh, they're like rose gold. I love it. Just a really nice touch. It's the little things. So I don't know what temperature it's on right now. Let's see. Oh, it's on the lowest setting. So it comes on the lowest setting. Makes sense. I'm just going to turn it up just a little bit. I can already feel like the heat coming off of it. I know that these things are supposed to heat up pretty fast. So I'm excited. I love that it's white too. Like it's just so clean and pretty. I'm going to try to keep it that way. It's hard because a lot of times I do my makeup before I do my hair. So sometimes I'll still have makeup on my hands and I know it's going to get on my flat iron. So I'm going to try really, really hard to make sure my hands are completely free of makeup before I pick this up. So far so good. I am super happy with the purchase, even though I haven't used it yet. I just like the color and the fact that there's sparkles. I'm just gonna let that warm up. I think it's ready. I'm just gonna pull this part of my hair back so that I could straighten this half without my like bangs getting in the way. And just for reference, this is day 2 hair. I let my hair air dry yesterday and my hair mostly dries pretty straight. There's just a few little waves in it that I would like to get out. I'm so excited. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, that's straightened. I'm thinking that I feel a little heat on my hair, but I don't feel that much. So I feel like I need to turn it up just a little bit to like get the full thing. So right now I'm putting it halfway up. It's not full blast, just halfway. So it's heating up again. Let's try the other side. So what's cool is it blinks and then it will stop blinking once it's warmed up to the correct temperature. My old flat iron definitely did not do that. I just basically turned it on and kind of just like guessed when it was hot enough. And it's actually started making like weird noises at me. So I kind of felt like, oh, I think it's time to get a new flat iron because it's talking to me. Oh, it stopped blinking. It's ready. See how like I just get super like wavy and weird curls right here that I just want to be completely straight. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that's a lot better. I feel like it looks a little bit straighter than this side. So let's do this side again. Oh yeah, look at that. It's like super straight and I love it. So I definitely see how it can be one pass. You just have to get used to doing it just like a little bit slower. But this feels super smooth going over my hair. It doesn't stick or pull or get caught on anything in here. My old flat iron, like sometimes it would get caught on little edges, but this one has not. So I'm going to continue to flat iron my hair. It looks good. And for me, my hair is already mostly straight when I air dry it, so I don't have to do a whole lot. You can see the difference from this side to this side that hasn't been done yet. Like it has just a little bit more of a wave and kink to it, you know, and plus I slept on it last night, so that didn't help. It's definitely smooth. Yes. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, let me take these bangs down so you can see the difference. That is a big difference. So sleek, a little bit like crazy. But this is my hair just drying naturally. I didn't do anything to it. It's relatively straight, but then when you compare it to this straight, you're like, this isn't straight at all. Wow, I'm definitely loving it. Oh my. Look what a difference that made. Oh my gosh. Now that is how straight hair should be. I love it. All right, I gotta tease it real quick because I always gotta tease my hair. Okay, I just love it. I love it so much. Great flat iron. I have like no bad things to say about this flat iron. It's white and beautiful and has these diamondy little crystal things on it, which I love, and they're rose gold, which I love even more. It works really well to boot. So I have nothing bad to say about it. I love how it straightened my hair, and I'm so excited that I bought it. It was like such a whim. The crazy thing is that I was researching it online and it actually retails for about like $160. So I got it for $50. And I just looked on Costco online right now, and it actually is, if you go to Costco.com, it's actually $69.99. Even if you can't find it on sale at your Costco for $50, or even just find it at your Costco in general, you know that you can go online to buy it for only $69.99, which is still a great price compared to $160. So if you are in the need for a new flat iron, go check this one out. I don't think you'll be disappointed, and it's a good product for a fantastic price. I just think it's like the best deal ever. So go check it out. Yay, thanks for trying my new flat iron with me. That was super fun. I hope it was informative and now maybe helped you pick out your next flat iron. Before you run out to Costco or jump online, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because you don't want to miss out on fun things. All you have to do is click on my little face that's just right down there and hit that subscribe button. And also there's just like a little bell next to it. So if you hit that subscribe button, just like move over and hit the little bell, because that lets you know when I upload a class right away. So then you don't miss out, and you don't want to miss out. See you soon.